Drew Peterson was back in court today, and a judge set a hearing date where he will hear arguments from Peterson's legal team for a new trial. ABC 7's Sarah Schulte has more on the proceedings today.
Prosecutors and defense attorneys were supposed to be in court today for Drew Peterson's sentencing. Instead, the former Bolingbrook cop is hoping for a new trial in the murder of his third wife, Kathleen Savio. A February hearing is set for Peterson's attorneys to argue their reasons why Peterson deserves another shot.
There's a multitude of issues that we raise for a new trial, ranging from evidentiary issues, hearsay, privileged information. There's the ineffective assistance of counsel issue.
Ineffective counsel is what the defense is banking on. In this 32-page motion, former lead attorney Joel Brodsky is accused of being more focused on his own, quote, self-glorification during the trial than the best interests of his client.
The allegations that they have in their motion are either incredulous or baseless. I've never seen lawyers go at each other like this before, either, in the history of Will County.
Brodsky's decision to call Savio's divorce attorney Harry Smith is named as one of the most glaring examples of ineffective counsel. Smith's testimony helped the jury tip the scales to a guilty verdict. But Will County State's Attorney James Glasgow says that decision was made by Peterson's entire defense team, including Steve Greenberg and Joe Lopez, who remain on the case.
They came out and did a press conference with you where they all said, we all agreed to do this.
Meantime, Stacey Peterson's sister, Cassandra Kales, is confident the judge will not grant Peterson a new trial and he will be sentenced. Kales says she comes to court just to see what jail has done to Peterson's appearance.
Today is very old looking, and, to see him shackled up makes me feel good not being in control.
Peterson returns to court February 19th and 20th for a hearing where his lawyers get to call witnesses in their quest for a new trial. And the witnesses are likely to be Peterson and the lawyers, including Joel Brodsky. He told me today he's happy to testify and tell the truth. And if the judge refuses to grant a new trial, the sentencing hearing will immediately follow. And we learned today that prosecutors plan on calling in that sentencing hearing Drew Peterson's second wife and also one of his 5 sons, both to testify against him.
We'll wait for that. All right, Sarah. A grandmother in Milwaukee pulls out a gun.